Today I'm going to be sharing with you 8 ways that you can build some hype for Diwali and promote your business. Hi, I'm Shreya Sharan Pawar and I help small business owners build their brand, their online business and their influence using social media marketing. Today I'm making this video because it's the festive season. It's one of the best times of the year for small businesses here in India. And Diwali is just around the corner, and it is high time that you start preparing for Diwali and start doing a lot of promotional work to build that hype up leading up to Diwali. Now this Diwali, I want you to take a pledge that you will do something special. You are not going to take any images of Google and use them. I want you to be creative, and I'm making this video well in advance so that you have enough time to prepare, showing up on social media and the various activities that you can do on social media to really leverage this festival to increase your sales. Now throughout this video I will be giving you some examples. I'll just be taking some brands to give you some examples. Now, if I don't end up taking a brand which is in your line of work, don't think that you can't apply that idea to your business. You got to be creative and see how you can tweak the idea a little bit to make it work for your business. Okay, so with that, let's begin. Tip number 1, leverage polls in your stories this Diwali. Polls are highly engaging and they really you will get to understand how what are the preferences of your followers. So say for example you are a product based brand, you can show pictures of your products and ask questions like, which one would you like to gift to your sister this Diwali? Which one would you like to gift to your mother this Diwali? Similarly, if you are a handmade brand which does customizations, you can showcase some of your customized works and ask something similar. Now, if you are a service-based business, you can tweak polls around a little bit and maybe ask something along the lines like, how can you make Diwali more safe, Diwali more healthy, especially. So think about what your business is and what do you promote through your service, and you can tweak it. So like a nutritionist could do a poll around what would you like to gift this Diwali which to a health conscious person. Okay, so see how you can leverage story polls this season. The whole objective here is to display your work, to share about your services more through stories, because stories have a lot of very higher reach, and they're also much better for engagement. Okay, second tip, you can do some fun humorous activities around Diwali. Now you could do this through a post, or again you can do this through a story as well, and you can ask questions along the lines of which relative in your family always gets you son papdi. So remember this meme which did like so well some time back. I mean it just kind of blew up, right? So see what were some funny trends which happened in the past, and you can use them. You could even ask questions like, who gets scolded during Diwali most often, or who does the maximum Diwali safai. So think about what are the activities which happen in your family, what are the general activities that you do as a family together, and you can use that to create some really fun humorous content, or using stories or using your posts. Now, one thing that I want you all to keep in mind while you're doing all of this on social media, it's a very good idea to have some sort of Diwali sales, Diwali offers which are running in the background. Okay, so that's a sales strategy. So always have a sales strategy which is also happening on the background. And here we are trying to take a look at how do you build your more influence and build that hype a little bit so that you can drive traffic so that people can go and see the sale that you're conducting. Okay, tip number 3, run a giveaway. Festivals are a fantastic time to run giveaways. You could give them a task like share a festive photo of your family, and whoever is the winner, you send them a gift hamper. Or if you want to increase the challenge of the task, you could perhaps tell them to do a small activity like share a video of you making Diwali sweets, Diwali mithai at home, and again, like the best created video, you'll send them a prize for that. You could even do like a giveaway which has a slight social impact. So say for example, you could tell your followers, buy some diyas from a street vendor, support their livelihood, take a picture with that and tag you, and you can choose a winner from amongst those. Or even a simple giveaway along the lines of, you share your product or your service and you get people to caption it or get back to you stating why they would like to win that product, and why they should be chosen as a winner amongst everybody else. Now, one thing for running a giveaway, I want you to keep in mind is that giveaways work very well as long as the prize that you are offering is something really desirable. Okay, so don't be stingy with the price. The higher the value of the prize, the more participation you will get in your giveaway. Now, one way that you can also increase participation in your giveaway is by collaborating with other brands. So when 3, 4, 5 different brands, you can come together and run giveaways together, and that will help you give a higher value prize to the winner, which people love. And each brand themselves, since they will be promoting the giveaway, you'll get more visibility as well. I highly encourage this particular approach of doing a giveaway inside my academy, the Womenpreneur Academy, and my community members have done this in the past and they've really had some amazing results. So I would definitely tell you to try it out as well. So instead of just hosting the giveaway alone by yourself, partner up with other like-minded business owners, brands, and do a collective giveaway. The fourth thing is create a lot of shareable, savable content on social media. So say for example, 5 desserts that you can make for Diwali, or home decor tips for Diwali, or home cleaning tips for Diwali, or dressing up for Diwali, or whatever your niche is. See how you can give some tips, create some sort of a guide, some sort of a DIY that people can use around this festive season. You could also do this in a slightly different way where you talk about your products and your service, and you can show your customers a different angle on why this product or gifting this service to somebody would make an ideal gift. So this is a different approach to promoting your products. So the fifth thing that you can do for Diwali is to run some contests where you get people to do small things, small activities. So say for example, you could run a selfie contest in which you ask people to take a selfie with the Karamcharis who are cleaning their home, their area. Just something that makes people feel involved, makes people feel that they are adding value to something. You could do something along those lines. Other contest ideas that you could possibly explore is you could do a contest around, say if you're a home decor brand, you can ask people to share home decor ideas for Diwali and how they do up their house, and you could run a contest around that. Or you could even get them to do like a video contest where you can ask people to create a collaborative video with their family doing an activity. So say dancing, singing, or making rangolis, anything of that sort, which is very Diwali specific, even like patte khelna, right, tash khelna, which is a Diwali activity. So get people to do these kind of activities and you can convert this into a contest and announce a winner from it. So there's a different type of a contest idea that we are planning for the Womenpreneur Academy, and what we are going to be doing is we're going to be doing a public Price is Right contest with sponsors, with participants, and we're going to do like a huge contest and make an event out of that. If you would like to know more about how I'm doing it and if you would like to go ahead and participate in it, I'm going to share a Google form in the description of this video. Go ahead and fill up that form so that we'll keep you updated on how you can partner as a sponsor or as a participant. It's going to be a lot of fun. The reason I wanted to participate in it is also because I wanted to see how we are leveraging this festival, this whole contest theme of a festival, on a whole different level altogether. The seventh thing that you can do is start leveraging WhatsApp for your promotions. So now itself you should start leveraging WhatsApp in a way to promote all the social media activities that you are doing, even to start promoting your sales. Why? Because WhatsApp has a huge reach, and I'm sure you already have like some WhatsApp groups ready. You'll have like some customers which are already there on WhatsApp. So see if you can start rekindling that relationship with them if you've been out of touch with them for a while. Now, if you don't use WhatsApp and you want to learn how to use WhatsApp for your business, I had created this video on how to build a WhatsApp business account. Go ahead, take a look at that. This is an awesome time to start creating a WhatsApp business account for your work if you don't already have one. You'll see how you can create catalogs and do all of those things on WhatsApp, which can get you a little more visibility. So if you've been enjoying this content till now, just hit on the like button of this video. It would really mean a lot to me, and please subscribe to the channel and click on that bell notification button, because I plan to create more such content which can go ahead and help you. The eighth thing that you can do is do some giveaways, do some special activities only for your email list subscribers. So say for example, you can do a surprise giveaway which is only private to your email list. Like say you're sending out a coupon code specially for your email list. This is something that I do a lot. Like all the people who are there on my email list, every once in a while we send them some real surprise offers which we don't even announce on public on Instagram, and people love that because it makes them feel special, that they're getting something special for just being there on that email list. So do something special for your email list. So if you are new to business, or if you're somebody who wants to start a business, go check out this series that I've done. I'll ping, like put up the card somewhere around the screen. See, it's going to pop up. Go check it out. This will teach you exactly what are the things that you need to do when you are just getting started, when you're building your business. Okay, so with that, I'm going to take your leave. Thank you so much for being here. Wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali, and all the best to you.